Hello friends, welcome. In today's video, I will be discussing about how we can create a Redis pool in Golang. Friends, to create the Redis pool, I will use redigo library. So for that, first of all, let us create a file redisutils.go. Let us create one more file where we will write our main function. So let us name it as main.go. First of all, here we will create the module. So for that, let us run the command go mod init redis minus module. This is the name of the module. So when we run this command, a file has been created named go.mod. Now it is suggesting to run another command, that is go mod cd. Now let us write here our code. First of all, let us declare the package. Then here we will import the library that we want to use. So first of all, we will import log to log the data, and then github.com/go module/redis. So basically we need two modules here. Now let us create a global variable named redis pool. And let us here we will have to pass the data type. So it is redis dot pool. Then here we will write a method init. So this function is to create the redis pool. So to create the redis pool, it basically provides a structure, that is pool. Here we have to pass some options to check what are the options available for us. Simply command click on this. Here it is not working, and here also it is showing that could not import this particular library. So again we have to run the command go mod cd. When we run this command, it is showing like this, and now this underline red warning disappeared. Now I think we should be able to enter in this. So let us command click on this. When we click on this, we can find some options here. Here first of all, there is a function named dial. Dial is an application supplied function for creating and configuring a connection. So you can check here other options also. So to create a connection, or basically to provide the connection related configuration, we can use this dial function. So So this is the return type. Now inside this we can write the function body. So here this is the return value redis dot dial. Now inside this TCP localhost, we have to pass it as a string. So localhost 6379. This is the port number. Now we have to handle the error. So if error is not equal to nil, so in that case log dot fatal some error. Let us print the error also. So for that error dot error. Now return con and error. So this way we can provide the connection related configuration in the Redis pool. Now we can pass other options also, like what is the maximum number of idle connections and what is the maximum number of active connections. So for that simply type here max idle. Suppose we want to put some number here like 10. Then maximum active connection, again let us take it as 10. We can provide other options also here. So this way we can create the Redis pool. Now how we can use this Redis pool to perform some operation. So for that let us define another function to set the value. So for that function set string key comma value, both are of string type. Then let us get a connection from the pool. So Redis pool dot get. This will this function basically returns a connection from the Redis pool. Now after performing some operation we have to close the connection also. So we can use con dot close, but here we have to use a keyword defer so that it will wait for the other surrounding functions to complete. Now we can perform any operation with the help of this con variable, like result error con dot do. Here we can pass the command. So here we want to set the value. So set comma key comma value. So if error is not equal to nil, so in that case log dot fatal some error. Let us print the error also. So error dot error. Then if there is no error, so in that case we can print the result. So log dot print ln result. So this function basically sets the value to the Redis. Now we can call this function in the main function. So first of all, let us declare the package, that is package main, then fmain, and then press enter. It will create a basic structure for the main function. Then first of all, we have to call this init function to initialize the pool, basically to create the pool. So now init, then set a string. Here we can pass the key value, like suppose if you want to set the key as name and value as debug boss. Now let us run this code. So for that, go run dot. When we run this command, we can see the result as okay. It means data has been set. To check, we can simply go to Redis CLI terminal. Here we can check the keys. We can see that name has been set. Now let us flush this data. Again, if we run this command keys start, then we can see that no data is there in the Redis. So now let us put some other key here, like language, and here let us pass as Golang. And again let us run this command go run dot. Again we can see the message okay, and if we run the command keys star in the Redis terminal, we can see that language has been set in the Redis. So this way we can set the data using the Redis pool. So that's all for this video. Thanks.